corre. Now, Coca-Cola Games is underway here at the National Stadium. Look at all those people. Come on. Oh my goodness. This is for real, man. This is for real. Now, look at the crowd. Look at the number of people that are here today. Oh, Father. Check this out. The queue is all the way back here. Look at all those people. Not to mention the ones that are already in the ground. Look at that. Look at that. All right. This is the beginning of this video of what seems to be a very, very long queue. Look at that. Look at that. Look at all those people there. Andy Lacambao, Morris Brothers High School, Ratocandabo Level School, Queen Victoria Memorial School. This is amazing. The line is all the way to the front. Check that out. Okay. Hopefully they don't run out of grandstand tickets, because I'm planning to go to the grandstand. Alright. We have it all here. Morris Brothers High School. There's a t-shirt. We have Andy Lacambao School. Cheers. What is this? Supporters. And we have in the front, that's Suva Grammar, I believe. Yes. Lions. And those are in colors, like myself. I think Natambua. Yes, Natambua Secondary School is way in the front there with a t-shirt. If you can see it. That's Chasipa, Jasper. Oh, hey, that's a Arquez t-shirt right there. Arquez t-shirt. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Okay. Now for the wait. Alright. Finally reaching the gate now. Seems like the grandstand has been sold out. There's one way to find out. Okay, here we go. They've taken down the price for the grandstand. Hopefully not, because it's been sold out. Okay, this is the ticket. This is the ticket. Grandstand? And Buckman. Sold out. Grandstand sold out. There we go. That's the ticket. Official ticket for the Coca-Cola Games. Woo. Naka, novo level. Oh, that's a new device they read for the tickets. Hey, awesome, man. Here we go. We're here now. Yeah, look around, look around. Oh my Lord. They got the merchandise for every school that represented here today. You got, what school is this? Oh, this is just general merchandise with the colors of the school. Oh, this is for Jasper. Jasper? Oh, you got bag right here. Chulo, chulo. You got the Londoni bag here. It's nice. RKS. This is probably for general use. You know, the bags. And this is, let me see this red one here. Oh, this is Morris. And this is RKS. Bag with a heron. Yep. That represents the heron state of Londoni. On this side we have some of the stalls. And here we have, I don't know what it is. Seems like something that is, oh, recycle. Yeah, something to recycle. Don't know what is that for. And towards this side, this is another store for the AIDS and the HIV and the prevention for sexual transmitted disease. Yeah, no. Check it out, just from here. Hey, boy. Solar na Gristin. Father Moses. Okay. Check to man na ground.
Set.
Okay. Set man, you too man. Alright, oh, there's here. Barbecue. Yeah, this is hot dog right here. This is hot dog, this is roti, hot dog. This is the barbecue. Bras, barbecue. Sit, eh? Oh, it's me. Rumula. Something for the people on the other side, eh? Hey, barbecue. Oh, nice. More stalls for barbecue right over here. Everything. You see? This is a special, oh, hey. Check this out. I don't know what this, but this is one event that is going on right now. Look at all those people, man. There's so many. Whoa. Jeez. Whoa. Check it out. Look at all the people over there. All cheering stuff. Music pumping, everything. The hype of the crowd right here. Check this people out, man. There's Natambua right there. Just fire. Look at the big screen. Here we go. There's Suva leading. All right. I don't know what this is, but it looks like, I don't know what school is that, but it looks like it's gonna win. Sorry, man. It's not that clear. Congrats to the school. I request was catching up, but it's too late. Check out the hype in this place, man. Whoa. Oh, that's the winner. Check that out. It's the winner. Yeah. That's the replay. That's the instant replay right now.